Lemon is produced on an evergreen small tree which is mostly found in Asia. The lemon tree was firstly introduced in Europe around 1 AD, it was not cultivated until the 15th century widely. Here are the 10 real lemon water benefits. 1. Helps in hydrating the body. To digest your breakfast better, lemon water will be best. It means the nutrients will be absorbed efficiently from your food and you will stay healthy. Note, after having lemon water, then wait for 30 minutes for your breakfast. 2. Helps in weight loss. The belief comes from our grandparents that having warm lemon water in the morning helps to reduce weight. Pectin fiber is found in lemon, which is very helpful in fighting hunger cravings. 3. Helps in cleaning your system. Nowadays diet system has changed a lot. We prefer fast food, which is surely not good for our health. Lemon increases the rate of urination, which flushes out unwanted material from the body. The citric acid increases detoxification as it increases enzyme function in our body and our liver gets stimulated. 4. Helps in boosting up immune system. Lemon is enriched with vitamin C and we all know vitamin C helps in fighting colds. Lemon is enriched with potassium which stimulates our nerve system. It also helps in controlling blood pressure. So, if you are suffering from the problem of high blood pressure, you must have a glass of lemon water daily. Lemon juice is also recommended for asthma patients. 5. Helps in balancing the immune system. No doubt lemons are acidic in nature, but they are alkaline in our bodies. Citric acid doesn't lead to acidity in our body, but the pH level of the body is acidic, it leads to a disease state. Having lemon water regularly will help to remove the overall acidity of our body and even uric acid in joints. So, joint patients by having a glass of lemon water in the morning will give you a lot of relief. 6. Helps in clearing skin. Lemon is enriched with antioxidants and vitamin C which helps to reduce blemishes and wrinkles and helps to get radiant skin. If your skin is prone to acne, then you must add lemon water to your daily routine. Acne-causing bacteria are killed by the alkaline nature of lemons. So who will not like to use this magical event? 7. Beneficial for hair. Those who have oily hairs, lemon juice is very good for them as oily hairs are due to the secretion of sebaceous glands, which are in your scalp, and lemon helps to reduce the secretion. For dry hairs or dandruff, lemon juice is also beneficial for treating these problems permanently. For stronger hairs, lemon juice is recommended as it not only strengthens the hairs but also increases hair growth. Want to have longer and stronger hairs? Then don't wait anymore, just add in lemon water to your diet. And you will get the results that you want, the glowing and healthy hairs. The abundance of vitamin C is present in lemons. Consuming lemon water will help in healing the wound too. 8. Helps in dental care. Lemon juice is also very helpful in toothache. It helps in getting relief from the tooth pain. Even if you have gum bleeding, just message lemon juice on the gums. Are you having bad smell problems? Then lemon juice will help you in getting relief from bad smells. 9. Helps to reduce fever. If someone is suffering from fever or cold, then lemon juice can help to reduce fever due to the presence of its properties. 10. Helps in reducing bad emotions. Lemons are not only good for skin or health, but also for the psyche. Consumption of lemon water will improve your mood and reduces tension and fatigue and even helps in improving concentration. That's the reason many room fresheners have a lemon scent in them. Did you ever think about that? No. Start thinking now. If you like this video, give this a thumbs up. Share this with your friends and don't forget to subscribe.